Hello everyone, this is Leanne and welcome to our channel. And yes guys, we have another video today, but before that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell so that whenever we have a new video, you will be notified first. Yes, finally, this is another taste tests video, guys. And ooh, yes, this is new one, guys. Look at that. Yay. And there are 3 flavors that we're going to try today. Yes, the first one is this, which is the Konnyaku jelly, and it's high multivitamins, and it is a vitamin 9 types, and it is a 1-packed meal. Yes guys, this is a 1-packed meal, and this one is good when you eat before or after a hard work. Yes guys, and also when working in front of the computer for long hours, this one is a good meal. It's packed with vitamins and it will give you energy. And also guys, when you're stressed, when you're tired, this one is good as well. It has 9 types of vitamins. And I will read here. It has white grape juice concentrated, 15%, and it has a sugar of 5%, acidity regulator, and INS 296, sequestrant, yes guys, and INS 331. Vitamin mixed B1, B2, B6, and B12. Yes guys, and it has a nature identical flavor. All right, so this one is good for up 6 years old and above. So 6 years old and below are not, this is not for you. This is only recommended for 6 years old above, with daily intakes for population over 6 years of age are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Okay, so the second one that we're going to try today is this one, the L-carnitine 125 mg. This is also a 1-packed meal, and it has high vitamin A, C, and E. So guys, let's try this one out. This is my first time to also try this one. I have tried the jelly one, but it's a different brand, the one in my video before, so I will put it here. It has also different flavors. It has grapes, blueberry, and other berries, guys, but this one is different, and it is a Konnyaku jelly, and I think this one is Japanese inspired but it is also it is a collagen 1000 mg collagen, yes, and it has a vitamin C. Look at that. Yes, so yeah, these are recommended for 6 years and above. Okay, now let's try first the number 1. Okay, so let's try it. Let's open it, and it has this one has 60 calories. All right, and the weight, oh, and this is also halal. Okay, it's good for our Muslim friends, and also those whose friends who okay, So just like me too, who doesn't eat pork, so it's good for me too. So this is what I like. So this is from the brand Nurish Mate. Okay, Nurish Mate. So this is the brand, so let's try it. Okay, so it has a 150 kilogram. All right, so let's try it. It has a bitter taste and it is a little bit sour. It's because this one is I think, what's the flavor of this? It is orange. It has white grape juice, orange, and lemon lime flavor. That's why it is a little bit sour. And it has a jelly there is also a jelly inside. And it has a taste. There is an aftertaste, guys. Yeah, definitely have an aftertaste. But it's not bad. It's not bad. It has, you can really feel that the lemon juice, the lemon juice here. I think it is over, I mean, I don't know, but it is overpowering. It's not too sweet. It's not too sweet because it says here and the sugar is only 5%, so that's why it's not very sweet. So if you're on diet and you want a full packed vitamins and complete, so this one is good for you because this is a 1 meal pack. Yeah, it's not sweet, guys. It's not sweet, so you will not feel guilty eating that one. Unlike the other jellies that are sweeter. And yeah, so now the next one that we're going to try is the number 2, which is the L-carnitine 125 mg and high vitamin A, C, and E, and it has also the same flavor, which is with L-carnitine, vitamin A, C, and E, and it has 15% white grape juice, apple flavor. Oh, this one is apple flavor. And remember that the first one has an orange flavor and a lemon lime, but this one has a white grape juice and an apple flavor. So let's try it. Okay, let's open it. This one you can really smell the apple. Okay, I'm excited now. What happened? I spill it. It's the same, guys, with the other one. It's not really it's not sweet. All right, it's not sweet, guys. Unlike the other one, that it has an aftertaste, a bitter. The first one, this one, guys, has, okay, this one has a bitter taste after, but this one doesn't have. It's fine. It's because this one, maybe because of this has a lemon zest, maybe. It's very yummy. So if I'm going to eat this in replacement of my regular meal, maybe I will be slimmed down. I'll be slimming down. All right, this is really yummy. It's not good, guys. It's not good because it's already late at night. But it's really yummy. Can't resist it. It's so yummy. This is apple and grape juice flavor, and it is full of vitamin A, C, and E. Alright, guys, so the next one that we're going to try is this one, the number 3, which is a collagen 1000 mg, and it has a vitamin C. Now in this one, it has a white grape juice and a strawberry and a peach flavor, and it has also vitamin C and collagen. All right, so let's try it. I'm excited because strawberry and peach combined together, no way. That would be nice. Okay, now this one you can smell the peach. I can't smell the strawberry with this one, but the smell of the peach is overpowering the smell of the strawberry. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, wait. Why this one is sweeter than the other two? Okay, and you can really taste the peach. I don't know, I cannot taste the strawberry. Or maybe because I don't know the taste of the strawberry. Yes, so yummy. Yes, I can really taste the peach here. And the same with number 2. It doesn't have a bitter taste after. And it's really yummy. But I think this is sweeter compared to number 1 and number 2. Okay? So let me try it one more time. I think this one has more juice than jelly. It's really yummy. It is really delicious, guys. So now that we have tried all of these the 3 flavor of this Nourish mate, and yes, so since we already have tried it, and I guess my favorite is the number 2. The number 2, guys, is what I like most. Yeah, I want to try it one more time. You can taste really the apple here. Let me try one more time the number 1. Going to repeat it. The number 1 really is, it has an aftertaste. Because of, I think, the lime that they used, the lemon lime, maybe that's the one. That's the one that make, yeah. The smell also is lemon. It has an aftertaste, but it doesn't last long. The aftertaste doesn't last long. It doesn't stay longer, I mean, to your tongue. But I think when you keep eating and eating, it will, you will grow on it, and then you will used to it. Your taste bud will, you get used to it. But what I recommend to you guys is, I think all 3 of them, because all 3 of them has different nutrients. Okay, so the number 1, you can get the high multivitamins, and it has 9 types of vitamins. And the number 2, It has L-carnitine and high vitamin A, C, and E. And also the third one is collagen, which we need in our body. Yes, especially to those ladies out there just like me. I think we need collagen as well. Not only for ladies, I think men also needs it. Now, thank you so much for joining us, and don't forget to pray and be kind to each other, and goodbye everyone.